Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are discuss to um, uh, how to create VM instant in Google Cloud, how to connect it SSS, how to create firewall. Let's go. Google Cloud, we're first logging, then we're first time the creator is a VPC. Create VPC. VPC 02. Let's see for name just region where create is region IPv2 IPv4 10.0.0/20. That's it for create our VPC. Need a time where create now VM computing engine VM instance. This page has a large, that's why you have to not see this. Here is a create your VM machine, whatever your browser feature is large, because your feature here is VM stone, create a VM. Silent solution. VM02, that's region California. EC2 is the minimum macro. You can go VM, but that's why I have my selection. You can your selection. That's it. Need to network security. It's okay. Selection, networking, default, here is my VPN selection, your VPC selection here, my VPC selection here. That's it. Now create this. It's done. Now click here. We can try SSS logging this VM. SSS here is connected. Thanks. .com. Ping is cat release files. You can change your to VMs. Thanks for watching.